Hey there, if your HiSense Fire TV is acting up or you just want to start fresh, here are 2 ways, including a hidden menu, how to factory reset it with the remote. So first, we're going to go the usual path. From the TV home screen, depending on the software version or interface you're using right now, just go ahead and go to Settings. From there, you need to go to Device and Software. And here, scroll down and select Reset to Factory Defaults. And then select it. Now, you'll see a warning explaining that the reset will remove your personal information, downloaded apps, and customized settings from the TV. Although you will have an option to restore the backup while resetting up. If you're ready to continue, just select Reset to confirm. Now, another way to quickly reset the TV is using your Fire TV remote, which is especially helpful if the TV is frozen or unresponsive, or you can't access the settings menu. Grab your remote and like this, just press and hold the back and the right button together for exactly 10 seconds. A reset pop-up will appear on the screen. Now you can simply select to OK, or if you do nothing, after 20 seconds, the reset process will trigger automatically unless you press cancel. In both cases, the TV will begin the factory reset process. This may take a few minutes, so don't turn off or unplug the TV while it's resetting. But once the reset is complete, the TV will restart automatically and take you back to the initial Fire TV setup screen. If you've hard reset your TV for yourself, you can just set up the TV once again. We have a separate video on that. If you want, you can just go ahead and check it out. That's all for today. See you at the next one.